The installation video of the light curing trough dripping resin bracket shot in this issue. First, connect the bottom plate and the metal rod to fix it. Fix the two brackets with M3*6 screws without locking them first. Press the hot melt nut into the printed part. Screw the handle nut onto the bracket and attach the print. Fix the iron ring on the metal pole. Put funnel. Use your resin bottle to adjust the height of the hoop. Then put the bracket perpendicular to the iron ring. Place the light curing tank to adjust the screws and position. OK. Installation completed. Let's demonstrate again the operation of changing different resin bottles.